Hello YouTube, Mr. V here. Thanks for tuning in again today for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a battery change for your smart locks, and this could be through security companies like ADT, VIVINT, etc, etc. So normally when I press on the lock button on my phone, the door automatically locks, but because the battery is dead, when I hit the lock button, it keeps trying and trying and trying to lock, and it can last forever without locking the door. So normally you will hear the door like lock and you see it lock. On each side of this lock there is a screw. So you gotta unscrew it on both sides, and that way you can take off the cover for the lock. So it's a standard AA battery. I am gonna go ahead and switch this, guys. I got my 4 AA batteries in here. I am gonna stick it back in and then we can do the test. So the beep indicates that it's been reinserted properly. So now I am going to try to lock the door. As you can see on my ADT app, it says that the door is unlocked. So I will be locking it. And you should hear the door lock and you should see the knob turn. Let me also try to unlock it. Hey, as always, please, if you do like the content, in order to support the channel, please don't forget to hit the like and also hit the subscribe button. And remember, Mr. V accepts questions, concerns, or suggestions. So I'll see you next time. Ciao.